Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted photos from Messenger. Alright, so let's begin. Before getting started, it's important to know that Messenger does not permanently keep deleted photos forever. However, there are still a few methods you can try that may help recover them depending on how the photos were removed. The first thing to check is your archived conversations. Open the Messenger app and go to the menu section. From there, open archived chats and look for the conversation that originally contained the missing photo. Sometimes chats are archived rather than deleted, and if the conversation still exists, the photos inside it may still be available. The next option is downloading your Facebook account information. Open the Facebook app and then tap on these three lines at the top left. Then go into Settings. From there, open Account Center from the top. Then select your information and permissions. Tap Export your information. After that, choose Create Export. Select your account and then choose Export to Device. From there, customize the data you want to download and include messages. After starting the export process and confirming your password, Facebook will prepare a downloadable file. Once the export is ready, download and extract it because your messages and photos may still appear there if they remained on Facebook's servers. You should also check your device gallery and cloud backups. Photos received through Messenger are sometimes automatically saved to your phone storage or synced with cloud services such as Google Photos. Open your gallery or photo backup app and look through Messenger folders, trash, or recently deleted sections because the missing image may still be stored there. Finally, if you only deleted the photo on your side of the conversation, the sender may still have the original image. In that situation, the easiest solution may simply be asking the other person to resend the photo. And that's it. This is how you can recover deleted photos from Messenger. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.